Hi friends, this is Selvajan here. Welcome to my networking channel. Hope all are doing good and safe. And today I am going to show how to configure the static routing. So here I have connected two routers, R1 and R2, and to this router I have connected two different hosts, right? So both are resides in the different subnet. One is in 172.10.0 and another one is 172.20.2, right? So both are in the different subnet, and these two IP address should reside in the same subnet, right? Since router is used to connect two different networks. So now let us go ahead and configure the directly connected interfaces. Then I will configure the static routing. So first step, let us configure the directly connected interfaces. So go to the configuration mode, and this is serial interface 2x0, right? So let us configure the serial and the fast Ethernet interface IP. So interface serial 2x0, and the IP address is 192.168.1.1 followed by 255.255.255.0, and do a no shut to activate the interface. Similar way, configure the fast Ethernet interface, that is fast Ethernet 0x1, right? So go to fast Ethernet 0x1 and specify the IP address. IP address is 172.16.10.1. So this will be the gateway for the first PC, that is PC1, right? So let us do a no shut. So then afterwards what I am going to do, I am going to router R2, and similarly I am going to configure the two interface, two IP address, right? It has one serial interface, that is serial 2x0, and fast Ethernet interface. So let us configure the interfaces. Serial interface 2x0, and IP address is 192.168.1.2 followed by the subnet mask. Then do a no shut to activate the interface. Then go to the configuration mode and specify fast Ethernet 0x1. Fast Ethernet 0x1. Fast Ethernet 0x1, then IP address is 172.16.20.1. So this will be the gateway for the second PC. So now let us activate this interface. So now what I am going to do, now let us assign this IP address, right? 10.2, this is the gateway, and this 20.2 IP, this will be the gateway. So now let us assign the IP address to PC1 and PC2. So how to assign? Go to PC1 and let us do IP 172.16.10.2, right, slash 24-bit mask 172.16.10.1, that is a gateway. So once that is assigned, so now let us check show IP. So it will show the IP address and the gateway, right? This is the gateway, and the subnet mode is slash 24-bit mask. Similar way, let us go to PC2, IP 772.16.20.2 slash 24-bit masks. This is the thing I am assigning, IP 20.2, and the gateway is 20.1, right? So let us assign followed by 172.16.20.1. So I assign the IP address for PC2 and PC1. How to do that? Show IP. It will show the IP address and the corresponding gateway, right? So now I have configured the directly connected interfaces of both R1 and R2, and also as I assign the IP address. And the second step, what I am going to do, I need to configure the static routing. So from R1 perspective, this network will be the remote network, right? So first thing I have to configure the static route. Go to the configuration mode, IP route followed by the destination network, that is 20.0, right? So 172.16.20.0 followed by the subnet mask. So subnet mask is 24-bit mask and followed by the gateway. Gateway is this gateway, right? This is a gateway to reach this PC2 IP address, right? 192.168.1.2. Similar way, go to R2 and let us configure. Go to the R2 and let us do a configuration. Configuration mode, IP route. So from R2 perspective, I am going to reach this network, that is 172.16.10. network. So the remote network network is 172.16.10.0 followed by the subnet mask and followed by the gateway, right? So that is the syntax. So 192.168.1.1, this is the gateway for reaching this network, 10.0 network. So 192.168.1.1. So I have done with the configuration. So now let us check the static routing. How to check? So go to R1 and check show IP route. So this will show the static route. You are able to see, right? 172.16.20.0 is the remote network. So that is a remote network. It is reaching via 1.2 gateway, right? 1.2 gateway. So 1.2 gateway, and this is the administrative distance. First, it is static route, it is 1. So similar way, let us go to R2 and check show IP route. So the remote network is 172.16.10.0. This is static route, right? This is static route, and this is administrative distance, and this is the 192.168.1.1. It is reaching via this remote network, right? This is a gateway 192.168.1.1. So that's the thing you are seeing here. So now what you have to do, now let us ping the IP. So I need to ping from PC1 to PC2 and PC2 to PC1. So now let us go here and ping the remote PC2, right? So 172.16.20.2. So let us see we are able to ping. So yeah, I am able to ping the IP address. Similar way, let us check the gateway of the remote network. We are able to ping. Similar way, go to PC2, right? So PC2 and check PC1 172.16.10.2, that is the PC1 IP address I am able to ping, and similar way check the gateway 10.1. So we are able to reach, right? So this is how we have to configure the static route. The first I have to configure the directly connected interfaces, then I have to specify the static route. So always keep it in mind, IP route followed by the destination network followed by the subnet mask, then the gateway to reach the network, right? So this is how we have to configure the static route. I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me for more videos. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.